why it is now many, many years, plus the 7 years, we add more years, and that is why this is the problem now. And to blame the NGCP who are just willing to go into this reset process because it's also for them. You know, for Meralco, a reset process may mean a higher rate. It may also mean a lower rate, but it has to be done, Mr. Chairman. And just to correct, the present rate now of Meralco is not 1.38 centavos. It is already 1.35. Wala na yun, Chairman, dan ang 1.38. Wala na yun. 52 na because there was a decision of the ERC. So that is why now the rate is lower than the 1.38 that you are saying. Just to make the matters on record. Now, let me proceed, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, para correct kasi what I'm trying to say a while ago.
Yes, I yield to my good friend.
Yeah, kasi yung 138 na sinasabi ko from 2011 to 2022 ang 1.38. Then they nag-applied po sila ng 1.35 ang naging application nila which was approved by the IRC. Yun po yung aking intention kanina.
Mr. Chair.
Okay, with the indulgence of, are you through, Congressman
Not yet.
Lupos? Not yet.
Because
I have many
I was the one
points.
on the floor.
Just one
I
interject
open the floor
for-
again again
Just-
to...
yeah,
Yes.
thank you, thank you.
Please
Just-
continue,
Just
Congressman.
one quick
Dizon.
question no, with regard to the fifth regulatory period of Meralco. During the franchise application, no, I even asked this, what will happen to the fifth regulatory period? They answered, it will start July 1, 2022. So, ano nangyari? Maybe ERC, isn't it ERC, dapat yung fifth regulatory period nila mag-start noong July 1. Kasi during franchise nila, tinanong ko yan eh, what happened? Bakit? Was it suspended? Bakit hindi natuloy?
Mr. Chair, meron po silang final na application for the fifth RP sometime, I think May na kayo nag-file. May 2 months extension pong binigay. So, hindi po talaga, so by the time they filed, ilang buwan na lang po yun. Tapos po, we had to resolve the issue regarding the interim rate and the AWAT kasi po merong motion for reconsiderations that were filed. So all these related issues needed to be resolved by the Commission before we move forward on the fifth regulatory period.
So when you say it has to be resolved by the Commission, nagbotohan ba kayo doon? So anong score ng boto?
3-2 po.
Yun yung gusto ko na malaman kasi. So, may process, nagkabotohan. So, etong problema, Mr. Chair, naapektuhan na naman